back to MoneyMagpie's Vlogmas. I'm Ruby and I'm the investment editor for MoneyMagpie Invest. Today, I want to talk about a question that I get asked almost every single year at Christmas, and I want to settle a bit of a debate. And that question is, should I invest my Christmas bonus? Now, I absolutely love this question, and I think my answer might surprise you. See, as an investment editor, most people would expect me to say, yes, throw all of your Christmas bonus into the stock market, maximize your returns, make the most of compound interest, put it all in. And I love a good investment plan as much as anyone. But honestly, I actually think that Christmas is the perfect time to invest in yourself. That Christmas bonus hasn't just come to you by chance. You've worked all year. You've dealt with stress, deadlines, life admin, family, work politics, you name it. And now you've finally got that little bit of extra money in your bank account. And I think we massively underestimate how powerful it can be to use that money to invest in your future self. And I don't mean in your portfolio. I mean in your health, your well-being, and your lifestyle in general. You've worked so hard for that bonus. So why wouldn't you want to use it to make your life a little bit more easy? So yes, I suppose my answer is you should invest it, but maybe not in the traditional stocks and shares that you might be thinking of. Obviously, if you really want to use it to top up your portfolio, go ahead, be my guest. But I also think investing in your well-being, your confidence, and your quality of life is just as important, especially at this time of year. So how exactly can you use your Christmas bonus to invest in yourself? Well, you could sign up for a course or an extra qualification that you've been eyeing up. Or maybe you could invest in your health. You could get a fitness membership, a PT session, or a nutrition plan to start in January. You could also look into taking workshops, attending webinars and seminars, things that boost your career and your skills. Another great way to invest in yourself is to invest in coaching or mindset work, which can have compounding effects for years and years to come. Or you could even just book yourself a nice spa day or weekend retreat, giving yourself a chance to unwind, relax, and reduce all of that stress that's built up throughout the year. When people think of investing, they automatically think of money and the stock market. But investing in yourself is just as important. You make the best decisions when you are the healthiest version of yourself. So reducing your stress, improving your well-being, and taking care of the quality of your life is just as important as the numbers in your portfolio. And honestly, I think Christmas is the perfect moment to do that. It's the end of the year, you're reflecting, you're planning, and you're setting your goals for next year. So why not give yourself a bit of a boost and invest in becoming the very best version of yourself next year? And by the way, treating yourself is in no way irresponsible. As I mentioned earlier, investing in your well-being now can have compounding effects for years and years to come. That one round of mindset coaching, those PT sessions, that nutrition plan, it could give you the well-being boost that you've secretly been needing and just haven't realized yet. But I know that many of you came here thinking that I would say, yes, put all of your money into the stock market. And it's absolutely okay if you want to use your Christmas bonus to top up your portfolio. In fact, you could even do both. But if you are one of our viewers who is looking to use their Christmas bonus to top up their portfolio and build future wealth for themselves, my honest recommendation would be to look at ETFs. If you didn't already know, ETFs are basically a basket of different companies and assets that you can trade under one ticker symbol. A really brilliant way to invest because you automatically diversify. Your money gets spread across loads of different areas, and it reduces risk compared to picking out individual stocks and shares. You can think of an ETF a bit like your Christmas selection box. Lots of different flavors in one big box. The AI industry is still booming, and I believe it still has a lot of growth potential. But other types of ETFs to maybe watch out for are emerging markets ETFs, defense ETFs, and ETFs that contain major high street retailers, and ETFs that contain major retailers, because let's face it, at this time of year, retail is booming. The main takeaway from this video is to use your Christmas bonus for something that will make you feel good. To use it to invest in your future self, whether that means looking after your health and well-being or topping up your portfolio. Neither one is better than the other, and it all depends on your individual circumstances and what you need right now. But remember, you've worked hard for that Christmas bonus. It's completely yours to do whatever you want with. Don't put pressure on yourself to try and find the perfect way to use it. After all, it's Christmas. It's time to reduce that stress, take the pressure off yourself, and just have a bit of fun. So, should you invest your Christmas bonus? Yes, absolutely. But what you invest in really depends on you. You could invest in courses, in workshops, in coaching, in a fitness membership, a weekend retreat, or a spa day. Or you could look at ETFs. You could top up your ISA. Or you could invest in something like gold. And we might just have a very exciting giveaway coming up in just a few episodes that will give you a really, really easy way to do this. Thank you so much for being here with me today. I hope that you are loving Vlogmas so far. If you have liked this video or found it helpful, make sure to like, subscribe and share with a friend. And join us tomorrow for our next Vlogmas.